Okay, boys and girls, let's look at our next example. We're going to divide a two-digit number by a one-digit number with a remainder, and we're going to use a tape diagram. So Christy bought 13 roses. If she puts 6 roses in each vase, how many roses will she use? Will there be any roses left over? So let's start with our answer statement. Christy will use blank vases. And there will be blank left over. Just notice that we're being asked 2 questions. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw an array. 13 divided by 6 is the problem. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So these 6 are going in a vase. These 6 are going into a vase. So she has 2 vases, and she's going to have 1 rose left over. So we started with 13 and made groups of 6. We made 2 groups with 1 rose remaining. She'll fill 2 vases, and she's going to have 1 left over. Let's revise the story a bit. Now Christy bought 13 roses, and she wants to put them in 2 vases. How many roses will be in each vase? Is this the same array? Yes, it is. In the first story, we didn't know the number of vases. In the second story, we didn't know the number in each vase. We changed the story from finding the number of groups to finding the number of the size of the group. Okay? Checking our work in both situations, we can say 6 times 2 is 12, and then we're going to add our remainder. 12 plus 1 is 13, because that's the total number that we started with. Let's turn our array into a tape diagram to show 13 in 2 groups of 6 with a remainder of 1. So I'm going to redraw my array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm going to put a box around it. Okay, now I'm going to divide the bar into 2 parts. I know each part is worth 6, but 6 plus 6 is not 13. Okay, 6, 6. So I'm going to have to draw a 3rd part to represent the remainder. And this is going to be our remainder of 1. Okay, the entire tape diagram we know is 13. So let's talk a little bit about if we had to divide by 4. If we had 13 roses and we're going to divide them by 4. Okay, let's draw a tape diagram dividing it into 4 parts. Okay, so we know that the total is going to be 13. Each part is going to be worth 3. There's going to be 3 roses. However, we know 3 times 4 is 12. But we have 13, so we have 1 remaining. So we're going to have a remainder of 1. Whatever method you use, you're going to get back to the original total and quotient and remainder.